reorder the sheets so that they are in alphabetical order. So we're just going to reorder. I need to move all my toolbars out of the way here. Okay, so alphabetical order. Just drag them over. And now they're all in alphabetical order. So then it says change the color of each tab. So I'm going to right click here and I'm going to change this color, and I'm just going to go in order. Right click again, tab color right here. Right click, tab color here. Right click, tab color. Sorry, my Screencastify toolbars are in the way. Let's go here and right click, tab color, and here. There we go. Go back to directions. Add a new sheet in between each pre-existing sheet. Okay, so the way you add a new sheet is just click the plus sign. And then, so basically I need 1, 2, 3 more sheets, so 3 more sheets. And I want them in between the pre-existing sheets. So we'll put one here, and we'll put one here. All done. Directions. Rename each sheet. Okay, so rename it. New 1. Rename new 2. And rename new 3. Duplicate a sheet. Okay, so I'm going to take the electric vehicle one right here. I'm going to right click and I'm just going to duplicate it. And you'll see that it'll say a 2 next to it. Last thing is I want you to hide a sheet. Okay, so let's say I'm going to take this new guy right now. I'm going to right click on him and I'm going to hide him.